Hey everyone, my name is Allison Ashcraft, and I'm from a small town right outside of Athens, Georgia. I currently live in Winder, Georgia with my husband. I work at the University of North Georgia Gainesville campus in the registrar's office as a degree credit evaluator. My goal is to be an advisor someday. I think this course will help me because although UNG is a big university, there are 5 campuses and they each feel like small unique campuses. Someday I hope to be an advisor on the Oconee campus, which is one of the University of North Georgia's smaller campuses. This course will help me prepare to become an advisor on such a small campus. Outside of class, I really enjoyed Disney World and running. I've recently become a Disney travel agent, so if you have any questions about Disney or want to book a trip, I'm your girl. I'm also training for my 6th half marathon this fall in Athens. I'm looking forward to this course and working with everyone.